Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by targeting the physical layer. Inspect connectors, cokes, and antenna mounts for corrosion, frays, or loose bolts. Tighten or replace damaged parts. Once done, confirm the antenna is aimed at the opposite site within a few degrees. Small misalignment causes lost dropouts. Then power cycle the router and note the loss LED and current signal level. This gives you a baseline to compare after adjustments, so you know whether the change improved the link or made no difference. Next, make precise alignment changes while monitoring link metrics. Use a compass or azimuth app for a course heading, then gently pan in small increments while watching RSSI and SNR on the router interface. Move elevation if you have a dish. Minute shifts matter. Once you see signal improvement, tighten mounting hardware progressively to prevent drift. Do this in stages so you can back out if metrics worsen. If the gain is marginal, try swapping a cable or antenna to rule out hardware faults. Finally, lock in the configuration and validate performance. Make sure RSSI and SNR remain steady for several minutes while you run a throughput test. Document the final azimuth, elevation, and cable types. If loss errors continue, inspect the Fresnel zone for vegetation or new obstructions, raise the antenna or clear the path when possible. As a last resort, swap the antenna or try a different frequency or channel to avoid interference. If that fails, escalate with serial logs and hardware replacement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.